I will not stand for it na pababa po yung scholarships ng gobyerno. Especially kung nagbibigay tayo ng ayuda na scholarship rin naman yung purpose. Pero bakit to pababa? Hindi ho to katanggap-tanggap na pababa yung ating binibigay na scholarship sa mga kabataan natin. And I will move, Mr. Chairman, to restore this no to the 2024, if not higher. But for the CHED hearing, Chairperson na Grupis, gusto ko malaman, bakit tayo pumapayag na pababa yung test? Do you want to give us a answer now or hihintayin natin yung hearing po ninyo? Antayin na lang natin. DBM, bakit to pababa? Kayo po, baka gusto nyo pong sagutin, bakit to pababa? Ang rami-raming tumataas. Our budget has increased but our test is going down. Yes, ma'am.
Head sa Chair Groupie.
Chair po.
Si
Chair wants to answer next time. Okay lang naman. This is not the CHED hearing, but
okay,
DBM.
si DBM.
Mr. Chair, in as much as the budget utilization rate po of CHED for TES as of December 31st, 2024, it's only 33% po. The DBM can only recommend up to the NEP level considering the capacity of CHED to utilize the fund and in view of the limited fiscal space po.
Director Labastilla, alam niyo po ba na napakaraming estudyanteng naghahanap ng scholarship? Alam niyo po ba na yung number one reason for dropping out is because of costs unrelated to tuition? At kahit yung mga estudyante sa private university, naghahanap rin sila ng tulong. So, I don't think utilization is a proper excuse para dito. Anyway, we will find out in the CHED hearing, Chairperson na Grupis. Ano nangyari dito sa test? I know you're also drafting new guidelines. Pero I'm telling you now, Director Labastilla, I will not stand for it na pababa po yung scholarships ng gobyerno. Especially kung nagbibigay tayo ng ayuda na scholarship rin naman yung purpose. Yung scholarship po na yon dumadaan sa mga politiko. Yung scholarship na ito dumadaan sa mga eskwelahan at dumadaan sa mga ahensya. I would prefer that we give scholarships through the institutions than through politicians' offices. So hindi ho tayo papayag na yung test na institutional scholarship ay pababa habang yung ibang scholarship na dumadaan sa mga politician ang tumataas. No, hindi ho talaga tayo papayag. So we will hold off on this discussion, Chairperson Grupis. I hope you will be with me in this drive to support more scholarships through our institutions.